Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to today. We're turning up the heat with a spicy delight straight from the heart of China. Chongqing Chicken Pot. This dish is famous for its bold flavors and fiery heat. But there's so much more to it than meets the eye. Stick around as we uncover the lesser-known facts and culinary secrets behind this iconic dish. Chongqing Chicken Pot, also known as Chongqing Liziji, is a traditional dish from Chongqing, a city in southwest China renowned for its love of spicy food. Characterized by its mouth-numbing heat and intense flavors, this dish is a true representation of Chongqing's culinary culture. Did you know that Chongqing Chicken Pot has its roots in ancient Chinese street food? Originally, it was a humble dish enjoyed by boatmen and laborers along the Yangtze River. Its simplicity and robust flavors made it an instant favorite among the working class. The key ingredients in Chongqing Chicken Pot include bite-sized pieces of chicken, dried red chilies, Sichuan peppercorns, garlic, ginger, and a variety of aromatic spices. The combination of these ingredients creates a complex flavor profile that's both spicy and numbing. The term mala refers to the unique combination of numbness and spiciness that defines this dish. The Sichuan peppercorns create a tingling, numbing sensation on the tongue, while the dried chilies bring an intense heat. This distinctive flavor combination is what sets Chongqing cuisine apart. Chongqing Chicken Pot is more than just a dish, it's a cultural experience. In Chongqing, sharing a spicy meal is a way to bond with friends and family. The communal aspect of eating from a single pot fosters a sense of togetherness and community. Here's an interesting fact. The red chilies used in Chongqing Chicken Pot are often more for visual appeal than for eating. Diners typically pick around the chilies, savoring the flavorful chicken and aromatic spices instead. While Chongqing Chicken Pot is a staple in Chongqing, it has inspired numerous regional variations across China. Some versions incorporate different types of meat, seafood, or vegetables, adapting the dish to local tastes and ingredient availability. Despite its intense heat, Chongqing Chicken Pot offers several health benefits. The capsaicin in chilies is known to boost metabolism and promote cardiovascular health, while Sichuan peppercorns have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The preparation of Chongqing Chicken Pot involves several meticulous steps. The chicken is marinated to enhance its flavor, then stir-fried with garlic, ginger, and spices. The dried chilies and Sichuan peppercorns are added last, infusing the dish with their characteristic heat and numbing sensation. Traditionally, Chongqing Chicken Pot is served in a large, communal pot, allowing everyone to share the meal together. It's often accompanied by a variety of side dishes and steamed rice to balance the intense flavors of the main dish. To complement the bold flavors of Chongqing Chicken Pot, pair it with light, refreshing drinks like jasmine tea or cold beer. These beverages help to cool the palate and enhance the overall dining experience. In recent years, chefs around the world have embraced Chongqing Chicken Pot, putting their own spin on the classic recipe. From fusion dishes to innovative plating techniques, this traditional dish continues to evolve and captivate new audiences. Another fun fact: Chongqing Chicken Pot is often considered a test of one's tolerance for spicy food. Locals pride themselves on their ability to handle the heat, making it a popular choice for those looking to prove their spice tolerance. Now, let's get cooking. Follow along as we prepare an authentic Chongqing chicken pot. We'll start with marinating the chicken, then move on to stir-frying with our aromatic spices and chilies. Ready to bring some heat to your kitchen? First, marinate the chicken pieces with soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and a pinch of salt. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Next, heat oil in a wok, add garlic, ginger, and stir-fry until fragrant. Add the marinated chicken and cook until golden brown. Finally, toss in the dried chilies and Sichuan peppercorns, stir-frying everything together until well-coated and aromatic. For a stunning presentation, serve the Chongqing chicken pot in a traditional Chinese hot pot or a large, shallow bowl. Garnish with fresh green onions or cilantro for a pop of color and added freshness. When tasting Chongqing chicken pot, remember to savor the layers of flavors. The initial heat gives way to a rich, savory taste, followed by the numbing sensation from the Sichuan peppercorns. It's a complex and thrilling culinary experience. The rich culinary history of Chongqing chicken pot reflects the broader history of Chongqing itself, a city known for its resilience, vibrancy, and love for bold flavors. This dish is a tribute to the spirit of Chongqing and its people. Chongqing chicken pot is more than just a dish. It's a culinary adventure that invites you to explore the rich, spicy, and diverse flavors of Chongqing. Its unique blend of heat and aroma makes it a standout in Chinese cuisine. Did you know that Chongqing in Chongqing chicken pot refers not just to the city but to a specific style of cooking that emphasizes bold, spicy flavors and communal eating? The dish embodies the culinary spirit of Chongqing itself. Chongqing's geographic location, situated along the Yangtze River and surrounded by mountains, has significantly influenced its culinary practices. The hot and humid climate of the region encourages the use of spicy ingredients, which are believed to help combat the effects of the weather. Sichuan peppercorns, a key ingredient in Chongqing chicken pot, contain a unique compound called hydroxy-alpha-sanchal. This compound is responsible for the tingling, numbing sensation that makes Sichuan cuisine so distinctive. Thanks for joining us on this spicy journey through the flavors of Chongqing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more culinary explorations, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy the heat.